Hey guys, what's going on? It's DJ Cream here with In The Mix DJ School, and today we're gonna give you 5 tips on how to organize your music. Check it out. Number 5, tag and rename. Make sure all your songs have the correct information in all the necessary fields. This will help you with sorting and creating smart playlists. Number 4, eliminate duplicates. Go through your library and delete any duplicate tracks you might have. This will help you find the song you're looking for faster, especially when you're using the search bar. Number 3, find and replace. Find all the tracks that are missing or corrupt and either relocate them or delete them. This will help the DJ software not have to work as hard to locate those files. Number 2, creating subcrates. Create a subcrate with your most played tracks for each genre and keep this crate under 100 tracks. And number 1, save and backup. Get into the habit of backing up your library at least once a week or whenever you add lots of new tracks. And there you have it, 5 music organizing tips. And if you have another suggestion, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'm DJ Cream with In The Mix DJ School.